The older I get, the more that I see my parents aren't here,
on the beat.
they're just like me. And loving is hard, it don't always work. You just try your best not to get hurt. I used to be mad, but now I know sometimes it's better to let someone go. It's just the older I get.
The older I get, I see life inside Bobby's precocious, don't like it. Self-worth is just a movie. I used to think everything would be great, my future family would be great. Then shouting stop, and I won't be like my papa. Now I see life is like that, my future is like that. I'm not sure anyone's like that. What did you expect? I was a kid back then. I used to think back then. I didn't understand back then. But now I see sometimes you just need to be alone in a dark room with a beer so that you could think about your life. Like I used to ask myself, why did my dad drink? But now I see it's the only thing that takes out stress.